While most AP tools go dark the moment you hit pay, MakersHub doesn't. Every payment stays visible and controllable until the money lands. Hey everyone, I'm Korbin, a member of the implementation team here at MakersHub, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to manage your payments. Specifically, we'll cover how to stop an ACH or check payment, how to modify and reschedule that payment, and how to request a refund back to your bank account. With that, let's jump in. Before we touch on anything, it helps to understand what a payment actually looks like behind the scenes. Every vendor payment in your payments archive is really two transactions. On the left, a debit. That's the money leaving your bank account and coming to MakersHub. On the right, a credit. That's the money going out to your vendor, either as an ACH or a physical check. Keep this in mind as we continue, because where your payment is in that two-step journey will determine what your options are. Let's say you need to stop a payment. First, click on the payment that you want to edit. Now remember our two transactions. In scenario one, the debit from your account is still in process, so the money hasn't fully left yet. In that case, just click Cancel on the left side, and MakersHub will cancel the ACH debit. Here, the whole payment stops before it really started. In scenario two, the debit already went through, so the funds have left your account. However, you can still stop the payment. Click Cancel on the right side to stop the second leg, the payment to your vendor. If that outgoing payment is in progress, you can still request that it be canceled as seen here. Now, importantly, stopping the payment does not automatically return the funds to your account. All it does is stop the money from reaching your vendor. Those funds are now sitting in limbo, waiting for you to tell MakersHub what to do next. And you've got two options. One, reschedule the payment, or two, request a refund. Let's look at both. So for option one, the payment itself was fine, but the destination was wrong. Maybe the check was headed to an old address or the ACH was going to a closed account. Once the payment is stopped, click into the Pay To field and select the new address or account number. Once that's set, click Update Payment. Now it may be that you need to update this Pay To address first. We can do this by navigating to the vendor detail. We'll go ahead and jump into the old payment method and you can click Archive. Next, you would come down here and then add an additional payment method and select either a domestic bank transfer for an ACH or a physical check. Once verified, you can select the new account or check address from within the payment details. And once that Pay To information is corrected, click Reschedule. That's it. The payment heads back out the door, this time to the right place. And because the funds were already debited, you're only redoing the vendor leg, not the whole payment. In option two, you don't want to resend the payment at all. You just want your money back. After stopping the payment, click the Request Refund button. Shortly after, you'll see the refund scheduled with a delivery date posted. And once that refund is processed, a tile appears showing you the status of the ACH refund heading back into your account. No emailing support, no wondering where your money is. The status lives right here on the payment. Again, this data will be tracked within the Payments section of the AP archive. From here, you can filter down your transaction list and drill into each payment for full visibility and control. We can take a look at an example of this physical check, as well as this ACH transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to stop a payment in progress, fix a bad address or account number and get it back on track, or pull the funds back to your account entirely. The bigger takeaway, in MakersHub, your money is never a black box. You can always see where a payment is and you always have options. With questions about payments or the platform, reach out anytime to support@makershub.ai.